These are the 35 opposition members of parliament who voted yes alongside Zanu PF in support of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Zarapena mashukubda pangwa ine Joanna a list our yema opposition MPs anosvika 35 waya vachisapota cap 3 pangwa ina tona kuti cap 3 has passed. Pangwa ine tiona kuti legislators they have supported and vakwanisa kusvikitsa 2/3 majority of the parliament. That was subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipida hukushukuna budanyora chiti. Their votes proved decisive in helping ZANU-PF secure the 2/3 majority required to pass the bill through the National Assembly. Without support from these opposition MPs, the ruling party would not have had sufficient members on its own to amend the constitution. The bill now proceeds to the Senate for consideration. And post these names Amurkona, Emma opposition MPs Vadasana, Basila Majaya, Bridget Nyandoro, and the rest of Amurkona Avo. Pangweno Chunukogun's Awa. These guys, they've supported the bill while Vakavota and support. And Pangwa Ire, Shonawachi supporter, Tukono, they are willing. Could the constitution equals amendewa? Could the institution heading Zimbabwe, Nema structures ose akwanise kuva trust kuiswe zvitsva tione a new kingdom ichipindira panguva ino munyika yeZimbabwe. Developments ari kuda panguva ino kuri kuno kwakunzi ZANU-PF zvikananda. Last night we saw them celebrating vachiti aiwa this is a done deal. Kevri Tagra takataura kuti ichazongopasa finally. Panguva ino they are celebrating this victory and they are sure kuti panapa this phase yanga iri ndo yanga ichangokonzera complications, but vachiona panguva ino ichipasa the parliamentary phase nemalegislators achivhotera in the support of the bill, they are now sure kuti kumberi kwesoko yangova walkover. Madevelopments ari kuda panguva ino pida kune section pedu dzavhungura aimot kudipa musapechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.